fairly stripped out in here, Rich.
It's pretty empty, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not a lot in here. What's the purpose of this test run, Richard?
Well, it's our sort of new overrun type map.
Okay.
And,
so we're having a listen. Do we want the windows down, or what are we going to hear more with a bit of window down?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
We made some changes to the exhaust of this car because it was ridiculously loud as well.
Okay.
We've done some changes there.
Where are we going?
Hey?
You know the traffic's awful today, don't you?
It's not too bad just going up to the roundabout and back. I took it for a little run a minute ago.
Another truck hit the bridge, which is commonplace in Nuneaton and Hinckley.
Well, it certainly seems to be on the A5, don't it?
Yeah. Good job we're in Mexico, really, ain't it?
Yeah.
Now, do you think we're hearing more of that because it is stripped out?
No, I don't think so. Well, you may be a little bit, yeah. Quite possibly the case.
You'll have me back in time for the comp slide, won't you?
Yeah.
I'd imagine if you hit your head on that in an accident, that's going to hurt.
What would your head be doing down there?
Well, I suppose if you'd have to have rolled it, I guess.
You mean your arms flailing around?
Yeah.
So much sort of thing.
Oh look, BT Open Reach, Rich. Why that window down? Get
What?
my fucking internet fixed. A bit of launchy. Let's test the launch control, Richard. Section 59 map then.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Well, it's certainly noisy and eventful. As I'm sure you'll be delighted with that, Rich. Delighted. Wonder what it sounds like with my exhaust system. We'll have to get it on. Have to get it on. Because mine's still mapped. MAF.
Yeah, yours is, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it'll really help because I've got the CPL induction kit, you know, with the big bore. I think mapping its speed density will really help that out. Do you reckon Jason's on his phone or having a poo when we get back? Poo.
It's poo o'clock, isn't it?
That could be the end of this video. We'll see whether he's actually doing anything when we get in. Drive it straight in the workshop. Don't give him any warnings. We'll just completely surprise him. Yeah, that sounds great, Rich. It's quick. It is definitely quick. It did have a sports cat in it. Is it not in there no more?
No, it's all that out.
Good to see they're digging our road up again, Rich.
Yeah.
How many times do they have to dig it up?
I'm assuming they're putting some internet in, or doing
I'd like them to be putting some internet in.
They're doing something as regards that.
the doors are open. So he's not...
Oh no, he's in there. He's in the footway.
Oh, he is. Look, I can see him. I can see it. I can see his little face. Right, thanks for that, Richard.
No problem.
Yeah.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.